We at Notre Dame Law School believe that anyone who has worn the cloth of our country should have the benefits that they've earned. We, as Notre Dame lawyers, have a special obligation to make sure that of all the people in our country who are taken care of, that we play our part in making sure that veterans get what they deserve.
I feel that Notre Dame Law School opening a veterans clinic is monumental. Notre Dame has a rich history and tradition supporting the military and supporting veterans, and the addition of this clinic is huge to be able to help those veterans after they exit the military and as they transition to civilian life.
Unlike most people who've gone into a career and then retire, veterans really just don't have that background in terms of being able to find disability accommodations for service-related injuries.
The new Veterans Law Clinic will be primarily focused on Veterans Affairs disability compensation at first. This is about proving that a disability or a condition is somehow related to a veteran's military service. Once we've proved that a disability is service-connected, we will advocate for the veteran to prove to the Department of Veterans Affairs how severe that disability or medical condition is.
Veterans are taught that they should be independent, handle things on their own, and the Veterans Disability System is set up to favor legal representation. So having a legal veterans clinic gives veterans the opportunity to have that free legal representation.
Veterans face legal challenges that have to do with what people traditionally think of with veterans benefits, VA compensation, and related claims. Veterans also face issues that have to do with their discharge from the military, things that could be as sort of normal as landlord-tenant issues, and really navigating a lot of parts of reintegration to larger society.
Ultimately, the clinic will be heavily involved in policy initiatives and community outreach.
It gives students an opportunity to develop skills as they apply the law that they're learning in the classroom. But it's also critically important because there are real clients, veterans, who need help navigating the complexities of the benefit system. And this gives opportunities to students who want to serve a chance to help those who need their service.
I think it's a really good idea. And I think it's good right here in the middle of the country for there to be a great legal clinic from a school of this great tradition.
After I got out of the Marine Corps, I knew that the challenges with the disability claims and how veterans struggle to navigate the Veterans Affairs Administration is very profound, and allowing these students to help these veterans is going to push forward and kind of restabilize the trust that veterans and the American people have in the veterans disability claim process.
In service of them, I think we owe everything. We need to look out for veterans. We need to put their concerns at the forefront of our minds because they put all of our concerns at the forefront of theirs when they decided to serve.
Notre Dame Law School has a particular obligation to ensure that students are learning how to best implement the Catholic mission and the Catholic teachings as they go on throughout their law careers.
A veterans law clinic is incredibly important because this community has done so much for us and for our country. So when they are facing the unique set of challenges, they really need that legal support, which is why I'm incredibly proud that this law school is taking up that challenge.